It's Sweet Sweet Jamaica 60. For this celebration, we will be sharing with you some of Jamaica's favorite foods and dishes. Do enjoy this journey down Jamaica Delights Lane. Yep, this pickle is really hot. I don't even have to taste it to know. You can smell it. So this is Scotch bonnet peppers with carrots and chocho. Do you remember chocho? So yes, this is a pickle, and I can't wait to try it. And also, it is in lemon juice. It's in lemon juice. I could add more to cover these, but I'm almost out. This is like my last of lemon juice, but you can use what you have. Just definitely, shake it. Yes, I've sealed it and I put some clear saran wrap or clear wrap on there, or plastic on the cover, so nothing seeps out, because this is really potent. And yes, I'm gonna just let the lemon juice go over it, the whole thing. So yes, you definitely want to shake it up and let it get soaked in. Let the lemon juice get soaked in all together. Yes, you can also use the lemon juice for your cooking to flavor your food. So you can use the whole thing: the peppers, the chocho, the carrots, and the lemon. So that's pickle. This is a great way to preserve your foods. You can use lemon juice instead of vinegar. Yeah, you definitely want to stay away from vinegar as much as possible. Vinegar is more for cleaning. All right, so we'll try it and see how it is. Try it in a few days. And you can definitely take pepper out of it to season your pot. So not just to put the pickle on stuff you want to pickle, like food you want to pickle, but you can also use any of it, whether the pepper or the carrots or the chocho, in your cooking to season your pot. So yeah, happy pickling. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.